Welcome back to Hans Tech YouTube channel. How to create a logo in few minutes. Did you know that we can do it online webbies for free? Are you sad that you don't know such a platform? Don't worry, we have solution. We provide you with 3 platforms where you can edit your logo. Canva Logo Maker, the Half. Today we are talking about how to make a logo easily with Logo Maker. Let's start.
Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays, and on we'll go. Through the wastelands, through the highways, and on we'll go. Fueled by them to see the horizon, turn us to thousands, and we'll grow in number. Fueled by them to see the horizon. We'll go through the wastelands, through the highways.
खत्म. बाय बाय, टाटा, गुड बाय, गया.
Through the wastelands, through the highways, and